On January 10th, 2011, a snowstorm unlike one that had been seen in a generation gripped and paralyzed the metro Atlanta area. This is the story of one man's effort to survive. I'm kind of scared now. I made a video a second ago and I'm looking, on the news and they're just saying everything is shut down all over Atlanta. And the weight of the snow is like immense in some areas on some structures, and I just keep thinking about the Metrodome collapse that happened, a few weeks ago because of all the snow on the roof. So I'm just trying to prepare. I'm going to try and step up and be a leader here to my fellow Southerners here in the United States. I know this is a state of emergency. I have bundled up. I'm wearing this sweatshirt over my jacket just to make sure that I have extra insulation. Also, hold on, we're gonna go outside here and really evaluate the conditions. As I said before, I want to avoid breaking my leg because there's no way that I will be able to get to the hospital today should something happen. So what I've done is I've put these trash bags around my legs for extra traction and to keep from getting wet in the snow. Now, obviously, since the weight of the snow could be dangerous, I want to stay outside probably a lot and just evaluate. I have no idea how long this is going to last, so I thought it would be a good idea to go foraging for food, nuts, berries. Does anybody know how to deal with this kind of weather? I'm so cold. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Don't like the Eskimos, they build igloos, right? To stay warm. Or I don't know how to build an igloo, but they say the snow keeps you warmer for some reason, right? Okay. So I'm just gonna whew. Okay. It's not working. It's not working. That is so cold. Oh God, it's so cold. What am I gonna do? I don't know what to do. Oh, how did you people in snowy climates survive? Don't panic. Nobody panic. We're gonna get through this. It's okay. Jeez. Alright. No, nuts, berries. Nuts, berries. Don't break leg. Nuts, berries, don't break leg. Don't let roof collapse. Got it. I found a bush. Alright. This could potentially be food. This leaf. Now, it's not much. It's not much, but in these conditions, you can't be choosy. You gotta just really take what you can get. I'm gonna put this in my pocket, save it for later. Okay. Alright, going on to the road now. On to the road. No cars. There are no cars on the road, as you can see. Okay, extra traction with trash bags, doing everything right. Getting colder, getting colder. If I keep moving, maybe that will help. Good thing about the snow is when you're exploring for food, you can leave a foot trail and you'll know how to get back. Because in the snow, everything looks the same and you can lose your sense of direction very easily. So, very important. Remember this. Wait a minute, I'm getting confused here because my foot trail is a big circle. I don't know where I started. I put snow on my head to keep myself insulated as I forage for food. I'm gonna try and conserve energy. Lay in the snow. Lay in the snow. Cover oneself up with snow. Cover oneself up with, oh gosh, it's starting to rain, sleet, and freezing rain. Must make blanket. If this is the last transmission that comes from me, remember me fondly. Tell my family I love them. I'm gonna survive this snowstorm. I'm gonna survive.